Hi, this is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources, and we're going to be looking at Pythagoras Theorem. Our objectives are 1. Explain the Pythagoras Theorem formula, which is hypotenuse squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. Then we're going to identify and label the hypotenuse on a right angle triangle. 3. I apply the Pythagoras Theorem formula to find the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Apply that same formula to find the missing short side of a right angle triangle. Let's go straight into the Pythagoras Theorem formula. Here we have a right angle triangle. One side we're going to label it A. The other side is B. Now we know that the side that is opposite the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. The formula, hypotenuse squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. So the long side squared is equals to the sum squared of the two short sides. We use this formula when we have two short sides and we're trying to find the hypotenuse. The formula is then changed to find maybe one missing short side or the other. So one is used to find if the short side is B or if the short side is A. In that case, we would have a long side and one short side. Example 1. Here is our right angle triangle and we're trying to find the length of the hypotenuse. So this right angle triangle has a length 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So the side opposite the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. In this question, we have two short sides and what is missing is the hypotenuse. So we're going to use hypotenuse squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. Let's substitute what we know. It doesn't matter what we assign a and b as. So I'm going to assign a squared, or the side a is 3, which is 3 squared, and b will be 4, which is 4 squared. Hypotenuse squared equals to 3 squared is 9 plus 4 squared is 16. The hypotenuse squared equals to 9 plus 16, 25. We're going to square root both sides of the equation. Square root 25. When we do that, we're going to get the hypotenuse. There's no more to the second power is equals to the square root of 25 is 5. So the length of the hypotenuse in this right angle triangle is 5 centimeters. Our second example, we're going to find the length of a missing side. Here is our right angle triangle. This has 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters. The side that is opposite the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. So that means we're trying to find the missing side and it's short. And we're going to label that as one of the letters A or B. So here we have a long side and we have a short side. So hypotenuse squared is equals to a squared plus b squared, yes. But we'll have to rearrange the formula. But let's identify what we have. The hypotenuse is 10 centimeters. So we're going to write 10 squared is equals to a squared plus, I am going to assign b is 6. So it'll be 6 squared. So our missing side would be A. 10 squared is equals to subtract. Now we're going to have to subtract the 6 squared. So we're going to move plus 6 squared over to the left hand side of this equation and equals to a squared. So 10 squared is 100. 6 squared is 36 equals to a squared. When we subtract that, we're going to get 64 is equals to a squared. What we do is we square root both sides. And when we do that, we're going to get 8 is equals to A. So the short side, the missing side of this right angle triangle is equals to 8 centimeters. I'm Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. Stay tuned for more. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.